Number 10. Online tutoring and courses. Teaching online is booming, and the best part is, people are paying for knowledge they can't easily get elsewhere. From languages to coding, digital marketing, or even creative skills, there's always someone willing to learn. Step 1. Choose a skill you can teach. Maybe you speak another language fluently, know how to code a website, or have mastered social media marketing. Whatever it is, someone out there needs it. Step 2. Create a curriculum or course. Break your content into small, practical lessons. 10 to 15 minutes each is perfect. People don't want to sit through hours of theory. They want results they can apply immediately. Record short videos, create worksheets, or even host live sessions. Step 3. Post your course online. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even your own website make it easy to reach students worldwide. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring sessions via Zoom or Google Meet. Here's where it gets interesting: pricing. Tutors can charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour for live sessions. Courses, on the other hand, bring in passive income, selling repeatedly without you being there. One well-made course could earn hundreds, even thousands, a month while you sleep. Imagine helping a student master a skill and watching your notifications show new sales, all from home on your schedule. Online tutoring and courses aren't just a side hustle, they're a way to scale your expertise into income that keeps growing as your reputation spreads. So if this hustle sounds like your kind of start, don't stop here. There are 19 more just like it, each one packed with fresh, real-world money ideas. Check out the full video, 20 Side Hustles to Start in 2026, right here on the channel. You'll find the one that fits your lifestyle, your skills, and your future. Comment if this hustle resonates with you or the challenges you are facing. Like, share, and subscribe for more business content.